name is Borden. I'm a meteorologist with the National Weather Service office here in Nashville, and today we're going to talk about a tornado in a bottle. It's quite easy to do. You basically need 2 empty soda bottles. I'm going to use 2-liter bottles. Some way to connect them. You can buy these cute little connectors. I've seen people put a washer between the bottles and use duct tape, and you need some water. A lot of times people will do this over a sink, but because I don't have a sink available, I'm just going to put the water in the bottle inside a bucket, and I'm going to fill the bottle, I don't know, half to 3/4 full, somewhere around the bottom of the label maybe. You notice I did take the labels off so you can see better. So I'm just going to screw the connector on one half of the bottle, and then I'm going to screw the connector on the second bottle. And make sure they're tight so they don't leak. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. And here we go. Okay, so now I always ask the question, what is in this top bottle? A lot of times people will say nothing, and I'll say, are you sure? And I'll say, what do we breathe? So actually there's air in this top bottle and there's water in this bottom bottle. So when I turn this over and I start the water rotating, I start it spinning, you'll see where the water runs. And I want you to kind of look specifically, where does the water run from what is the top bottle into what will be my bottom empty bottle. So are we ready? So as we spin this, you can see that the water from the top bottle is actually running down the sides of the bottom bottle, kind of like rain. And then the air that was in the top bottle is being forced upwards into the top bottle, and you can see that that's what the hole in the tornado is from. And so kind of what happens in the real world also. So you've got this nice warm sunny day, warm air rises, you've got a thunderstorm that comes by, cold air sinks, those two meet and clash, we get some uplifting, and you can get a tornado. And then you can see inside this water what looks like a funnel cloud. And it's running down, and it's running down the sides, and the air is being forced upwards. Thank you for joining us. I hope you enjoyed this demonstration in our educational outreach series.